Hi there, it's Dan here from Flexxable, and today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to land solar clients, or any client for that matter. Let's dive in and I'll show you how. When I'm talking about selling clients AI services, what I mean by that and what they get the most value out of from our experience is to help them with their speed to lead issues, their out of hours lead issues, and maybe database reactivation and all that type of stuff. So what we do for our clients is we install what we call Sales Android into their CRM, or we provide the CRM for them via white labeling HighLevel. And then what we do is when a lead comes into their system or our system, we'll be able to converse with that lead back and forth for that particular niche and book an appointment, or whatever their call to action is off the back of it. And it totally solves speed to lead problems, and contact rate issues have been the biggest problem clients have experienced, and they then blame the quality of the leads. All right, so we know this is a big problem, and the good news is that right now, as lead gens, we're able to solve this problem for the first time in, I guess, lead gen history, without having to rely on them to increase their sales team or contact rates or all that type of stuff. So it's a very exciting time. With that in mind, the best way to sell this concept to them is to be able to get them to experience how this works, right? And the way we do that, first of all, is with the warm clients. We have a landing page, and I'm going to show you what this looks like exactly. I'm going to jump on my laptop in a sec. And when we've exhausted our warm list, then what we do is take the same fields on that landing page, put them into a Facebook lead form, and then we run cold traffic to it. And it's super, super cheap. In fact, we haven't really gone above $4 or $5 per lead. We spent over $100,000 on ads at the moment, and it's just such a hot topic right now. People are opting in like crazy. Hope you can follow what I'm trying to explain here. It is exciting stuff, and as I said, I'm going to jump on my laptop, show you what this looks like, follow on my phone. We'll have a bit of fun with it, and we'll go from there. I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so I'm over here now on our landing page, and this is the demo that we've got in our program, and it's also used for our students who are selling their AI concept or sales androids to their clients, to be able to use a landing page like this, adjust it to the industry they're in, and then send this link to their clients so they can experience the Android. But it is, just warning up front, it is a demo. It obviously needs to be tweaked to be specific to the client that you're going to be working with, right? So this one that we've got here is pretty basic, and it's just for demo purposes, right? In case you're thinking that it's not as accurate as you want it to be, or as thorough as you want it to be. It completely can be. It just needs a little bit of work, but as I said, it's just a demo. So let's dive in. So I'll just put my, we'll call it Flex Solar. All right, so when we engage an Android like this, it works both for SMS and email, but I think we'll just do it on my phone for SMS today, and we'll go from here. So qualify, book, and sell solar appointments automatically with our Sales Android. Try it now for free, and then we hit the submit button. And what we'll have now is this will come over to my phone. Okay, so as you can see here, the text has come in. Dan's Solar Android here. Let's play a game and pretend you are a customer looking for solar panels. Text back yes to get started. So if you imagine you're an agency owner and you've got solar clients, you can send them the landing page I just showed you. They can opt in and they can go through their experience like I'm showing you here. Of course, it can be done for any other industry, and it'll also be done for any niche where you ask them their niche, but that's a whole nother story, okay? So I'm going to text back yes. And you can set the Android to kind of respond immediately, or you can tell it to take a little bit more time to make it a little bit more kind of human-like. It's kind of down to your settings, although there is times when AI is still kind of not breaking, but you have to wait and it resends. It happens because it's relatively early in the AI journey, but it's only going to get better and better. Okay, so it's got back. Hello, Dan. My name is Solar Android, and I'm here to assist you with your solar panel needs. Obviously, we're calling it the Solar Android here, but you would insert the name of your company. To ensure we can best serve you, would it be all right to ask a few questions to better understand your solar requirements? Go ahead. Okay, cool. It's got back. Great. Thank you, Dan. Let's get started. Do you primarily use gas or electricity to heat your home? This will help us determine the best solar solution for you. please let me know your preference. Okay, so we use electricity only. And by the way, you can kind of, the AI is smart enough to kind of, you can kind of ask questions and you can kind of try and trick it and all that type of stuff. There's going to be a landing page below this video where you'll be able to kind of opt in just like I have done, and you'll be able to have a play with it and see what you think. Try and break it if you would like, and have some fun with it. In fact, one of our clients asked the Android to speak in pirate language the other day, and got back with some pretty funny responses. I think we've blocked that, by the way, if you're going to try and do that, but it is pretty cool what it can do. Okay, thank you for letting me know, Dan. 2, could you please provide with your postcode? This will help us assess the solar potential in your area. I'm looking forward to assisting you further. Okay, so a lot of solar companies only operate in some postcodes or zip codes in the States, and you can either take them to a different landing page or say that they don't qualify or whatever. If they're not inside your postcode, you can set all that up. So I'm going to put mine in. Okay, it's got back. Thank you for providing your postcode, Dan. 3, what is the main reason you are considering solar panels? Are you looking to save money on your electricity bill, reduce your carbon footprint, or any other specific reason? Save money. So if you imagine a lead coming in to a solar company's CRM and it's outside of working hours, 9 or 10 p.m., or, leads are often quite cheap at that time. You can see how this process can engage back and forth with the prospect and then send them to wherever they want to go based on the answers to their questions. All right, it's got back. That's a great reason, Dan. Solar panels can indeed help you save money. 4, can you give me a rough average of your monthly utility bills? This will help us determine the potential savings for you can achieve, blah, 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 blah. I'll let you read all that. I'm going to say ours is quite expensive at home. So I'm going to say $500 per month. Okay. Thank you, Dan, for providing this information. That gives you a good understanding. That gives us a good understanding of your electricity bill, right? And this is where, because this isn't for a solar company, we say experiment over, right? This is for the agency. We're just showing you what this looks like. At this point, we would ask the client to book a call using our high-level calendar or send them to a sales letter. Here's how it works. It's a 3-minute read. This explains everything. So if you click on that, that'll take you over to our sales letter, which explains to the client what our offer is, our done-for-you offer, so we can sell them a sales Android. I'm going to go back to Messenger. Or please use this link to book a call with one of our solar experts. So then we've got a booking link. I don't know whether that's live. Oh yeah, it is. Solar test booking. You can go in there and book an appointment depending on what your call to action is going to be. All right. So if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. All right. So if you're sending this to a solar company for them to be sold on, then at the end of the experiment, you could send them the sales letter like I've just shown you here, which talks about our done-for-you offer and how that works and what it looks like and what they get, etc. So this Android that we built here is to sell solar clients rather than for the consumer. I'm not going to get too much into that type of stuff today, but you can see the power of what we're doing here. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in a sec. All right, so heads up, we've just shown you how to do this in SMS and what it looks like on my phone. However, it also does it via email. You can set it up to do the same thing in Facebook Messenger. There's even hacks to get it over in WhatsApp if you want to save on SMS costs and stuff like that. So there is a lot of cool stuff you can do, and you can kind of integrate this into a lot of messaging platforms, which is pretty cool. So here's the email that we send as soon as someone opts in. Hit reply yes to get started, and they go through the same process as I've just shown you. Right, so we've also got a landing page here. We're going to put this in the link where you'll be able to go through and test this yourself and tell us whether you're an agency owner, you're a business, or whatever. And you can go through and have a play with our Android and see if it works and how it works. And if you need help, actually buying an Android for yourself, or you want to take advantage of our done-for-you offer, or if you want to help sell Androids, then you can go through this and ask any question that you want. It's pretty intuitive it works really well, go ahead. As I said, it will be in the link below the video in YouTube. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I hope you've really enjoyed this video today. It's pretty cool how us marketers are usually ahead of the game and always coming up with solutions. And if we're able to find solutions for clients like speed to lead and out of hours leads and database reactivation, or you can even use AI to help with Google reviews and all sorts of cool stuff like that, customer service, everything basically. If you're able to figure out how to use all this stuff, then you're going to be in a really great position to help sell this concept to clients. It's a really big opportunity. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today. As I said, we've got our own Sales Android below in the description, which you can have a play with, try and break. And if you need help with anything, please ask a question in the comments section. Please give us a like if you've enjoyed this video, and please subscribe as well so you'll be the first to know when we create new videos. I'll speak to you soon.